tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm mo.
Hold traffic, 263. It's your hands! Let me see your hands! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop the gun! Stop me, more cars rush. Drop the gun! Drop it! I have a male with the gun. He fired off a couple rounds. He still has the gun in his hand, not sending commands. Drop the gun! Drop it! He's shooting at me right now. Full traffic. He's on the back patio of, I'll tell you about him in just a minute. Just come to 7730. You'll see me. Drop the gun! Come to 7730 Hackberry. Go inside! Okay, it's the 123 building, third apartment in. He keeps coming in and out of the apartment. Drop it! Drop the gun! Bottom floor. It's an Asian male, no shirt, black shorts, long black hair, holding a silver handgun. He's going in and out of the apartment, firing the handgun into the ground at this time. Stop! Stop! Put the gun down! Stop! Put it down! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun! Police action shooting, the suspect still moving, he's on the ground. Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Yeah, yep.
Drop it!
The gun's empty.
Drop it!
He's already pointed, he's already shot at us. Stop! Put it down! Drop it! Drop it!
Drop the gun!
Oh, good Lord.
Drop the gun!
Put it down!
Drop the gun now!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Suspect
He's up!
down!
He's up! He's up! Drop the gun now!
Drop the gun!
Drop it!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun!
Please, drop the gun! Please!
Control, suspect is down. Suspect is down. He still has a gun in his hand, though.
Please, drop the gun!
Drop it!
It's empty!
It's empty. It's empty. It's empty.
Throw the gun away so we can get you help, bud. Throw the gun away so we can get you some help.
Crawl away from the gun!
Throw away from the gun, man.
Crawl away from the gun!
Away. Crawl away from the gun. Crawl away from the gun, we'll get you some help, bro.
Do not move left. Do you hear me?
I'm clear.
You got a rifle right behind you on your left.
Yeah, I'm clear. Crawl away from the gun, we'll get you some help, man.
Now, we'll go up. Hey,
You ready?
ready? Go.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop! You don't need to run. Yeah.
Is there anybody else shooting? Hey,
Apartment did he come out of? Is there any?
I don't know. Control, we got him in custody. We need medics.
Stop! Put it down! Drop it! Drop it!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Suspect down!
He's up! He's up! Drop the gun now!
Drop the gun!
Drop it!